everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And my name is Ahmad Amar Anafi, and my name nomor induk mahasiswa 148200088. And today I want to share a quick peek into the world of system of technology information. Studying this stuff college, and this short video, let's talk about technology shape our life. Just 5 minutes, maybe. Main focus in the college is learning about system and information technology. It's like understanding how to computer and network, creating cool software, and manage data, and programmer like a coding, you know, make some web developer and others. As a student, I get to explore all these interesting things. Do you know example about technology system? Now let's dive into some real life example of information technology that we encounter every day. First, do you know social media platform? One of the most familiar information technology system in social media platform like Google, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and another. Their system connect people globally, allowing them to share thoughts about information, photo, and update in real life and real time. Second, e-commerce system. When you shop online, platform like Tokopedia, Shopee, and others, you're interacting with a commerce system. Their system manage product listing, transaction, and logistic, providing a seamless shopping experience. That's e-commerce system. And third, operating system. Your operating system and your smartphone like iPhone and like wait Android and computer like Windows, Mac OS, or Android. It's fundamental information technology system. It manages hardware research and allow your run various application. And fourth, yang keempat, with online learning platform. Yes, online learning platform. With the rise of online education platform like a Coursera, edX, anything about that, anything, and Khan Academy maybe as a information technology system. They facilitate the drive for the delivery of education content, interactive assessment, and study collaboration in the digital environment to manage online learning platform. Okay, uh, maybe I hope you got a glimpse of the cool work information in college. Technology keeps it changing, so there always something new to discover. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. And yes, 5 minutes. Okay, thank you. Makasih ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.